Hi guys, my name's Vanessa and welcome back to another episode of our Swiss Feature ID series. Today, we're gonna learn all about modern Scandinavian designs. Are you ready? I sure am. Let's go! This is our living area. The concept of this space, as I mentioned just now, is modern Scandinavian. So black, white, very earthy tones as well, just to make sure we get that cozy feeling the instant we step back home. Over here, just the day bed. And also, in case you're wondering, yes indeed, okay, this is a storage area as well. Coming over next to our open concept kitchen. Now, one really interesting thing to note was that these areas were not originally here. They were right here initially, but our homeowners would like to have an open concept. So they actually asked our ID Clarice whether she could rack her brains a little to give this. Clarice actually very thoughtfully planned all of these storage spaces so that he can keep all the detergent, the clips and whatnot out of sight. So this is the common toilet, and as you can see, still very much in theme. But one thing that really impressed me is the lights under the vanity mirror. So Clarice really thoughtfully planned for that, so that the light is not in your face, but yet still very functional. Let's explore the rooms now, shall we? First up, with our homeowner's room. Space is a luxury in this room, king-size bed and a working space with a lot of storage as well. And welcome to the master, proudly owned by the daughter of our homeowner. Girls need a lot of storage, so ta-da! And we have our master toilet as well. Once again, very much in theme. And this quartz top was specially requested by our homeowner's daughter because she wanted that big open space. Of course, quartz being very sturdy as well. She can put a lot of amenities. Now let's check in with ID Clarice to find out what were her thoughts when she did up this amazing place.
Hi everyone, I'm Clarice from Swiss Interior Design.
Yes, the mastermind behind this amazing concept. I read that this is a modern Scandinavian design.
Yes.
Would you be able to tell us a bit more about this concept?
My homeowner, he wants the feel of the house which is not too dark but yet is cozy. We did a modern Scandinavian design which is come with a bright tone color and a modern furniture.
So one of my favorite spots in this gorgeous, beautiful house would be the pet room. I have a fur baby of my own and she's very rough, okay? And I'm a bit concerned, is this really safe?
Yes, definitely. We construct this pet room with tempered glass which is certified in Singapore. And even though if any accidentally there is crack or break, right, it will shatter into small pieces which is not sharp.
That sounds amazing. I noticed a ventilation fan inside as well.
Yes, because this is for ventilated inside the room, so it will not very stuffy inside and to get throughout the smell of the pet as well.
So is there anything that you would like to, share with our viewers when it comes to picking an ID for their house?
I would definitely recommend them to know what they want for their home at first. After that, you will discuss with the ID your dream home idea, what you want. ID will give you more input and we explore more ideas together.
Right. It's a collaborative effort right over here, and as Clarice mentioned, she spent good time speaking to all homeowners to find out more about what their dream home is so that she can build it for them. Thank you so much for joining us for yet another Swiss Feature ID series. We look forward to seeing you at our next video. Bye!
Live better with Swiss Interior.